C SEED has teamed up with Bugatti to create something truly extraordinary, the C SEED Bugatti N1. This isn't just another luxury television. It's a stunning piece of technology that blends the elegance of automotive design with cutting-edge home entertainment, bringing a completely new experience to high-end homes, yachts, and architectural spaces. Inspired by the legendary Bugatti Tourbillon Hypercar, the N1 takes design to a whole new level. Every curve, surface, and detail reflects Bugatti's philosophy of combining art, form, and technology. Instead of looking like a traditional TV, it feels more like a sculptural centerpiece that naturally fits into a sophisticated interior. When it's not in use, it blends seamlessly into its surroundings. The moment it's activated, it transforms into a striking statement piece. One of the most impressive features is its center sliding system. The television moves smoothly and silently into the perfect viewing position, creating a balanced and visually pleasing setup. Every movement is carefully engineered to feel precise and effortless, allowing the display to adapt beautifully to the room and its architecture. Of course, the technology inside is just as remarkable as the design. The C SEED Bugatti N1 features advanced 4K MicroLED technology that delivers stunning image quality with incredible brightness, deep contrast, vibrant colors, and impressive energy efficiency. Support for HDR10+, along with C SEED's adaptive gap. Calibration technology and next-generation MicroLED and package technology helps create an exceptionally immersive viewing experience. The audio system is equally impressive. Developed together with Wisdom Audio, the integrated speakers remain hidden within the television's sculptural body until needed. Once activated, they emerge automatically, filling the room with rich, high-performance sound that perfectly complements the stunning visuals. Designed and manufactured in Austria, the C SEED Bugatti N1 showcases what happens when two brands known for precision, innovation, and craftsmanship come together. The result is more than a television. It's a luxurious fusion of design, engineering, and entertainment that redefines what a premium home display can be.